Want to create your own voiced Roblox roleplay videos? Here's how to record them with great quality and make your content stand out. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Set up your Roblox roleplay game. First, make sure your Roblox game is ready for roleplay. Customize your game world, characters, and any props or scenes you want to include in your video. Pre-plan the storylines to guide your recordings. Step 2. Choose the right recording software. Next, select recording software. OBS Studio is a great free choice for recording video and voice, but you can also use Bandicam or NVIDIA Shadowplay if you prefer. Make sure your software captures both gameplay and audio clearly. Step 3. Use a high-quality microphone. To ensure good voice quality, use a high-quality microphone. A USB mic like the Blue Yeti or a headset mic with noise-canceling features can make a big difference in clarity. Set it up and make sure it's positioned close to your mouth for the best sound. Step 4. Set up voice chat or record separately. You can either use Roblox's voice chat feature if it's available, or record your voice separately using software like Audacity or Adobe Audition. If you're using voice chat, ensure you're in a private server or with trusted friends to keep things controlled. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 5. Plan your dialogue and scenes. Before recording, plan out your dialogue and scenes. Write a script or key points of the roleplay so everyone knows what to say and when to say it. This keeps the flow smooth and avoids awkward pauses during recording. Step 6. Record and sync your audio. Now you're ready to record. Hit record in your software and perform the scenes with your friends or teammates. If you're recording audio separately, make sure to sync it with your video during editing to avoid mismatches. Step 7. Edit your video. After you've recorded the footage, use a video editor like DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, or Shotcut to sync your voice. Add background music, sound effects, and smooth out the editing. Make sure to add any visual cues or subtitles to enhance the storytelling. That's how you record voiced Roblox roleplay videos. Set up your game, use good recording software, and plan your scenes for a smooth production. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.